Hey everyone, it's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video, another degen review of Manystaker.io, a new Polygon dApp that will launch soon in one day. And this one has a really great design, very detailed one. So let's take a closer look. All right, guys, before we move forward, remember none of this is a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. These are high risk, high reward type of dApps. It will pay until there's a balance on the contract. Always do your own research, guys. Know what you're investing in and never invest too much, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So they have three daily plans. The first plan is paying 8.2% daily, but it's not the ROI is not attractive. I mean, it's only 15% profit minus 10% fee that they have. That we'll talk more about. It doesn't pay too much, so probably most people will go in the second plan. So that's probably what I will do. They also do have locked plans, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will choose the locked plan, the first investors, because it's paying the double the amount you are investing. So if you deduct your initial investment of 100%, it will give you, let's say, from 100 MATIC, it will give you 200 MATIC. So 101 MATIC will be your real profit, and probably you will have to be quick with this one. If you invest early, you might be able to take everything after 14 days. But you know, a lot of people, if a lot of people go with this one, a lot of people will also withdraw. So that will take a lot from the balance. In the daily plans, you can withdraw daily, so you can slowly take your initial principal back. And even if you know this is not like very successful, you'll have something back. So I'm sticking with daily plans. I've tried locked plans. I mean, if you are a risk taker and we are early here. That's why I'm showing you all these dApps early, so you'll have the possibility to take profit. I mean, this is risky. Remember, they also do have a plan for 28 days, uh, which is also, I mean, pretty risky. It's paying less daily, but you can also pretty much double your investment amount. So from 100 MATIC, you'll get 193 MATIC. If there is a still balance after 28 days, it might be depleted like in 3 weeks time. We never know, but this one looks pretty good. So I mean, many new people, beginners can probably like it. That can make a difference, so that's why I'm looking at this one. And if I go with the second plan and deduct the 10% fee that they have for withdrawal, it goes back to the owners. I will get from 100 MATIC, I will get 50 MATIC back. So that's pretty attractive. That's the best plan in my opinion. We are going to take a look at the Medium article as well. Let's take a quick look at the audit. So they have two articles here with frequently asked questions and a general, just a description about the project. A nice graphic. That's look nice. So yeah, their graphic designer is doing a good job. It all will also be a cross chain, because if you connect to the wallet, sorry, not this one. If you connect to the wallet, you'll see that they are planning to launch on AVAX and some other chain, probably Fantom. So let's take a look at the audit quickly. All the plans here. We'll talk more about some some features here that are mentioned. So the owner's fees, 10% for deposits, but also 10% for withdrawal fee. So the withdrawal fee doesn't go to back to the contract; it goes back to the owners. But they will probably invest a lot in the marketing. I've seen their marketing being really good. So yeah, that's something that I found it attractive here, because I can see they're professional with the marketing. So the minimum here is the MATIC. That's also important, and you can the project will have a daily profit rising, increasing 0.5% every day for new deposits. So after some time, after 1 to 3 days, the returns will be more attractive. Probably some people might see the first plan as being attractive, because if we add 1% here, it will be 14% higher return. Okay, that's basically how it works. Let's take a look at the article here. So they will launch also on the fast and low blockchains like Avalanche, Fantom, Polygon. They're launching first. So that's nice that they're telling us that. So earnings every moment. You can withdraw your dividends anytime. It is secured because they have an audit. They feel it's sustainable with this features that they have. So the basic interest rate will increase 0.5% every 24 hours, so 0.02% hourly. So it's not every 24 hours, it's like every hour, every second, basically, small amount, it's getting higher and higher. But after 24 hours, it will be 0.5% increased. So the minimum deposit here is 10 MATIC. There is no maximum, and they will charge a fee for every withdrawal. The daily plans we have discussed, but you can read more about it here. And the locked plans, they also have a locked plan for 21 days. Pretty risky, but there probably will be people who will look at the total return here, and just this is very tempting, right? And the 28 days, the most risky plan here is paying just a cosmic amount of 547% ROI. But yeah, I wouldn't go into this one. They have a referral program, which is standard. Only, I mean, just not paying too much. So 5% from level 1, 2.5% from level 2, and 0.5% from level 3. Of course, you need to deposit in order to be able to receive a referral commission. So yeah, it's looking good, the guys. Still some time to think. I'm showing you this early so you can go basically the first minute this launches. You will have a link in the description of this video. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet my subscriber. This will help me to grow the channel, and you can join my Telegram group to be updated frequently. You can ask me anything there, and yeah, we are trying to create a community there. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on another video.